Up next, 1/2700 scale Star Destroyer PE set from Greenstrawberry. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiAntasy.com and welcome to another YouTube video review. Today we're going to take a look at the 1/2700 scale Star Destroyer detail PE set from Greenstrawberry. And as always, I'd like to thank Lucas and Greenstrawberry for sending over the set. If you haven't checked out their site yet, check them out at greenstrawberry.cz. You'll find all the prices and all the products they have right there. So we're going to take a look at this, but don't forget, before we go over to there, come check out SciFiAntasy.com. If you haven't joined or registered yet, please do come over, hang out with the guys, show your builds off, all that good stuff. If you have any problems registering, just let me know. You can either email me or you can drop a comment in the section below and I'll help you get on the site. So enough about that. Let's get over to the bench and check this set out. So we'll start out, it's the usual packaging for Greenstrawberry. You have the hard cardboard backing, you got the pieces in here, the new slick design, and it's the open cellophane on the back. So let's tear into this bad boy and show you what's in the package. So inside the package comes your direction sheet plus 2 sheets of PE for you to use in the build, and we'll take a look at the directions now. It's the typical direction sheet from Greenstrawberry. It shows you what comes in the product. It has your warnings and stuff like that here. It has your guides over here to tell you what everything means. And then it starts off showing you how to do the shuttle bay for the tower and goes into all the other pieces and sections for building the PE kit, ending up with the generators up top and how to put those together. So as always, nice clear directions. This way you know what you're doing once you have the kit. So we'll start off with the smaller PE sheet. This has a ton of little spires and these are for the deflector shield generators. And that's all that's on this piece here. You'll be able to add them and make those deflector shield generators look a little bit better than the plastic pieces that come along with the kit. So let's take a look at the bigger sheet of PE. This is the second sheet of PE that comes with the kit, and this part has 2 shuttle bays over here and over here, and a lot of detail parts for the front of the ship. Everything is highly detailed. You can see all the little holes right in here and here. And these little guys are really tiny. So again, it's a really nice sheet. It's going to enhance the build, make things look a little bit better. But instead of looking at the sheet over here, I'm going to show you the slideshow as I usually do so you could see these pieces in action and actually see where they go. But again, Lucas and Greenstrawberry did a really good job of detailing out parts. This way you can make the ship look a lot better than it does. So let me take you over to the slideshow and show you these parts in action. So as always, I try to bring you through a slideshow. This way you can see better pictures of the PE itself. And the first one is going to be the 2 PE sheets with the spires and also the big sheet with the added detail plus the shuttle bays. In the next one, you can see the shuttle bay right here, and that is up the tower, and I think that's more towards the middle, and you can see the PE right in there. The next one is added detail for around the cannons along the side of the ship. And in this one, you can see the added detail on the bridge itself, the small PE to the side and the center little windows down at the bottom, and you can see all the spires on the deflector generator. Here you can see the added PE that adds extra detail onto the communications tower. And in this you can see the added detail on the side of the ship and finally the side shuttle bay, kind of like on an aircraft carrier. Well, that's it for this video. I thank you guys for stopping by and checking it out. And again, I thank Lucas and Greenstrawberry for sending over the product. This way we can show you guys in more detail than just looking on the site. Very good sets, and if you haven't, the site is right here, www.greenstrawberry.cz. Go check them out, pick up your stuff. All the prices and everything are there, and Lucas is very good and he'll take care of you. If you have any questions or comments for me, just put it in the comments section below and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. And if I don't have the answer, I'll look for it and get it to you. So thanks again, guys, for stopping by. I hope you hit that subscribe and notification icon and let your friends know about the channel and the site, and we'll see you all soon. Take care and bye-bye.